Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Libras. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy. These are for your daily energy, Libras. We are picking 3 cards actually for your daily energies, guys. One card for your career situation and one card for your love energy, guys. So this is the card for your love energy and one card from the Rumi Oracle deck, so that will answer any questions that we have in our situation today, guys. So I will keep this card here and we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Libras. So for your daily energies first, we will turn the cards now. It's the Prince of Suns. It's Two of Moons in reverse. Six of Spheres in reverse, guys. Hope you can see the cards, Libras. Libras, with these cards, the energy in your situation, guys. You are a person who is really inspiring to the other people. You are in connection with, maybe in your work, people see you as a person of knowledge and capability, vision. So you have a better understanding of things and they come to you for guidance and support in any situation, guys. And you are a very active and generous person, honest person. That is what they see in you and that is what they like in you. And you are really strong minded and determined in your work or in your life, whatever your situation may be. And you are a very creative person. You know what you need to do and you stand up for your views and you are very fierce follower of whatever ideals that you have for yourself, guys. That is what I see. And maybe in your situation today, in your work situation or in your personal life situation, there are some kind of stressful situations, guys. You are not able to find that harmony and balance in some situation because of some lack of understanding or communication. So maybe some quarrels or struggles are there in your work or in your personal life. Some kind of conflicts are there. Opposition, maybe people are against you in some ways. That is also the energy here. And in your work situation or in your personal life, guys, people, someone is really greedy about you. They have that greed and they want to rob you of your efforts and skills. They want to make use of your skills in some ways. It may be in your work, so regarding your projects or whatever efforts that you're making in your work, they may take credit for that and they are not recognizing your effort. Or if it is in your personal life, there are people who are trying to make use of you financially or may take your help in some ways and they may not have that good intentions, guys, towards you. So you need to be really careful. There are people ready to make use of you. So that is what I see here. This may be someone from your family, from your work circle, or your person. So whoever it is, you need to be careful, Libras. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. So we will turn this card now. It's Five of Spheres in reverse, guys. So with this card, in your situation today, in your work situation today, there is some stressful situations happening, guys. Maybe you are facing some difficulties in work, disorder and chaos, maybe for some of you, and some loss. It may be a financial loss. That is what I see. Maybe some projects are getting delayed or suspended, and maybe some failures with some choices you made today, something of that sort, guys. And also I see here some troubles are there in your life today, some kind of troubles, something stressing you in your career situation. That is what I feel with this card here, guys. So let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. The Fool in reverse. So for your relationship, this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about this person. So you may feel that they are really distracted and aimless. They do not have a particular seriousness about this connection. They are just playful. They are just there for fun. You are the one who is responsible. They are not at all responsible. So they have that distracted attitude or that playfulness in this connection. They are not serious about this connection or about you. So that may be the reason for some stress you may be having today, because they are not responsible in this relation like you. They don't have any responsibilities towards you or towards this connection. They are they just want to spend some happy time with you. That is the reason they are there. So that again may be troubling you, Libras. That is what I see with this card, guys. So let us see what is your oracle guidance card. So this card may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but it is a guidance card. So if we follow this guidance, it may help us, guys, to have a better day. So let us see what is the card here. These cards must be read straight, guys. Beyond death, life. This situation that you're facing, Libras, facing today, it may not be your choice to let go, to take a new direction, maybe move to a different place, maybe even for some of you, maybe an end of a relationship, to change a career or move away from some belief or a group or a teacher. Some situation is really stressing you, but it is not out of your choice. It has just happened, guys. Life has unfolded. This transition has just happened. Maybe it is time that you have to let go of fear and hesitation today and focus on what is becoming in your life today, guys. So when you honor whatever is unfolding in you, you will find peace with the situation, guys. So a new life is coming to you with greater opportunity for radiance and beauty in this world. So you just have to grasp it eagerly, guys. So that is what this card is about, and that is the reading for you all today, Libras. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.